I need a Zen. What's up, everybody? It's Justin SVT. Today we are finally tuning the 5.0. I got the initial tune back from Palm Beach, so I'm gonna load that up onto the car, get the data logs done, and hopefully I can get done with this sooner rather than later. It's currently 93 degrees outside with 100% humidity, and there's no airflow in my garage whatsoever. So if anything goes wrong here, my temper, it's definitely gonna get let off. So I've already got the tune loaded up here. Got my little ice pack. I'm gonna tuck that up under my shirt. It is extremely warm. I'm gonna complain about that this entire time. It does have a can tune on it already, but I don't really think that it did a whole lot at all. I don't know. The advertising stuff is a little strange, but just do the stock file. These are preloaded tunes. It's already on there. This one is revision 1 from Palm Beach. So we're gonna go ahead and let this guy load up. I already have the battery tender plugged in, so this is gonna do all of its stuff, and then we'll be back once the tune is written.
1 hour later.
Oh, that was rough. It's definitely a little struggling a little bit. I might actually run out of gas doing this. I didn't even realize. I didn't even think about that. Probably should have put fuel in this a little bit, but we also have the E85 tune that will be done along with the 93 tune once this is all data logged and sent back over. But Palm Beach closes at 5 Eastern time, so it's 3 o'clock for them right now. So I'm trying to get all of this done before. I'm just ready for this to be done so I can send the data log over and then get the actual proper tune put back on, and then run the wide open throttle data log, which I don't even know if I'll be able to get that done today. I'm gonna let this run the data log. This is a 5-minute idle. So the GoPro died, which means I have to use my iPhone camera. I guess a $400 camera can't handle a little bit of heat. It's fine, whatever. I didn't pay 400 bucks for it. It's fine. It's fine. I have to figure out why this will not connect to the car. So another thing that's kind of weird is when I had initially flashed the CAN tune from SCT onto the car, I checked in the vehicle info and it said that the current flash was the 93 tune. When I checked it again before writing the stock tune on, or excuse me, before putting the Palm Beach tune on, it said 89, which is very strange, but whatever. I'm hoping that writing the new tune on here after reverting back to stock fixes the ECU strategy not being recognized by both the SCT and SCT software, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna have a whole other problem that I really do not want to deal with. The truth, it's going through its little seizure phase here as the SCT finishes up with its stuff. We can go ahead and key off, continue. Congratulations, your vehicle's been programmed. Okay. And again, unsupported. So, interesting. I don't know how I'm supposed to read the ECU strategy if it's locked because of the Palm Beach tune. Maybe it's not Palm Beach. Maybe I'm just an idiot and I don't know what I'm doing. That's probably because I'm an idiot. I don't know what I'm doing and it's hot. I'll be back.
The next day.
All right, it's been a week since I got the base tune for this. Everything passed with flying colors. Motor's happy, healthy. I am having, however, 2 issues that are related obviously to the transmission. One being that for whatever reason, the 10R80 wants to downshift from 3rd gear to 1st, anywhere from 0 miles an hour to 5 miles an hour. And I don't know why, but the back shots are insane when that happens. And it is very butt puckering when you don't know that it's about to happen and there is a car in front of you that's worth triple what you're driving. That was the worst part about it. Another thing too is, for some reason or another, when I'm in just drive and in normal mode, the car feels like it doesn't want to do anything. Like it just wants to sit on the couch and play Halo all day. If I'm in sport mode though and doing the shifting myself, then it's a little bit better. And all the other, it even shifts better in like the wet mode. I don't know, dude. It's whatever. It's just beyond my pay grade. But I'm just waiting for the revision to come back to fix the transmission stuff. After that, though, Well, this sucker's going on an E85, and that is going to be a completely different animal. So hopefully the revision comes back today, and then we can really get to making some good power. But yeah, that's going to be the video for me, guys. I appreciate you for watching. If you did like the video, go ahead and leave a like. Comment below, what tuner did you go with on your Gen 1, 2, 3, or even your S650, your Gen 4? Just let me know in the comments. I'm kind of interested to see what everybody else went with. I feel like a little bit of an outlier for going with Palm Beach. I don't know, but hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.